Hey guys, what are we doing today?
Today we're going to the skate park.
Skate?
Skateboarding.
Nice. Oh, I think we're doing it wrong.
Well, I need to practice because I've never went down like a ramp.
Alright, let me give you a push.
No.
No.
This hill's fast enough for me already. Where's the next step? Alright,
Jakey, lean forward, okay?
lean forward, that's gonna get it faster.
Oh, okay. So go ahead. You want me to hold your hands first?
Yes.
Okay. Let me go on this side.
Hold my hand going down.
Well done. You want me to hold your hand?
I'm scared.
Put your feet back, yeah.
Okay, well, it looks scary, but it's not. It looks scary, but it's not.
You want to try it again?
Yeah, I'm gonna get a head start first. Alright. I'm ready. You should start by just going down normally without going fast because I'm not going fast. He only has one wrist.
Nice, Jakey. Jakey, this one's taller, be careful.
Okay, I think I told you.
Maybe do the other one first and get good at it and then try this one. Oh yeah?
No, I don't think it's I feel like
Nice, Jakey. I'm ready.
I'm gonna try.
Go ahead.
I'll try. I can't even do that. Gravity pulled me down. Guys, I was on that like a tall one and I belly flopped.
Don't do that, Jakey.
I belly flopped. But it's
belly
good
flopped
I
already.
have like the texture.
That's right.
Otherwise I'd be flying.
You'll be cooked. You're gonna end up in the forest. You're gonna end up inside the forest.
Okay, how do I break myself and how do I'll stop. I'll try to stop you. I need help actually getting my hands on because my hands are starting to slip. 3, 2, 1, let go.
Hurts?
Yeah, it does. It's just a little bit.
You're good. No blood.
Yeah.
Let's just ride around maybe.
Yeah. Ready?
Yeah.
You stay here. 3, 2, 1,
Nice, Jakey.
I did it on
Good
one.
job.
I did it on one leg.
Jakey in the way. Jakey. And now swirlies. Okay. It's for bikers and everybody on wheels. So just like on the road, you stay on the right hand side and the opposite direction goes on the left side, okay? Go ahead. Yeah, rule breaker.
Go backwards, so.
Oh, okay.
Like, guys, I can go backwards.
Nice.
Those people are not on wheels.
Okay, people can walk here too. Oh. I think it's for both of you. Because you can see on the sign it says humans walking, humans biking.
And wait, can cars go here?
Only authorized vehicles from New York City Department of something. Parks and Recreation. Parks and Rec.
Yeah, there's things right there.
Hi, super fast.
Are you sure you want to go down that hill?
Look at this guy. Is he gonna pop a wheelie? No, he's riding with kids.
It's really quiet.
Hi, Jakey.
I think this one's for cars.
You wanna go check out the water? Come on, let's check out the water.
Yeah, the water's going
I think it's the tide is coming in. Okay, there's crab.
Pick it up. Pick it up.
Right, I don't see it.
Wait, is that a hornet crab?
Ocean crab?
Yeah.
I don't think so.
Look.
Ah, I see it. You know, usually the water is all the way up to here, right? Well, that's why they're fishing right now, because it's the tide is coming in and the fishes are coming. Yeah, you're right. No, I don't want to. It's a dead animal. I don't want to mess with it.
Can you pick the crab up?
No. Yep, definitely. Yep. I don't like it. Maybe let's not go there. Easy for you to say.
Why was there a tire in the ocean?
It's retired. You like that one or no? we're all catching fish right now.
That's why the water is coming in so fast.
It's gonna be too fast, no? You don't think?